Have you ever wondered how airports and skyscrapers can coexist without threatening each other? It is a complex interplay of laws, guidelines, and compliance. Today, we'll delve deeper into the intricacies, including the impact of high-rise infrastructure within airport range and the crucial services facilitating this harmonious coexistence. Firstly, the World Geodetic System, 1984, or the WGS 84 survey. This prescribed standard for precise geolocation on Earth's surface is the global reference system, ensuring accurate positioning of buildings, towers, masts, and cranes. WGS 84 is the cornerstone, providing the framework for safe and regulated construction of structures near airports, preventing interference with vital flight paths. Now let's talk about the No Objection Certificate, Height Clearance Certificate. This critical document is a requirement from civil aviation authorities, signifying that a high-rise project has met necessary aviation safety standards. It also specifies the permissible height or elevation of the structure, ensuring it won't hinder airport operations. Our team guides you through the entire process, from application to approval, ensuring compliance with stringent aviation standards. The third service is the Pre-Aeronautical Study, a detailed analysis conducted before project commencement. It evaluates the potential impact of the proposed high-rise structure on the surrounding airspace and airport operations, identifying potential issues early on and enabling informed decision-making by developers. Moving forward, the Aeronautical Study Shielding Benefits Study is a comprehensive analysis evaluating the impact of the proposed structure on the aviation environment. It considers factors like radar interference and flight procedures, identifying potential shielding benefits where existing structures can mitigate the impact of new developments. Not to be overlooked is the Documents and Process Management Service, an integral part of the process. This service ensures efficient and effective management of all necessary documents and processes for the project, from initial application forms to final approval documents. Every piece of paperwork is carefully managed, streamlining the process for maximum efficiency within stipulated timeframes. Understanding these processes not only helps in navigating the complex regulatory landscape, but also maximizes business potential, ensuring that high-rise infrastructure projects near airports are not only safe, but also optimized for success. Compliance with a series of aeronautical criteria and regulations is mandatory, and our detailed analysis of these complex and interlinked requirements is designed to facilitate high-rise infrastructure development, assisting infrastructure development companies in managing projects in a cost-optimized manner while ensuring adherence to all aeronautical compliances. We look forward to helping you. Please connect with us to know more, and don't forget to share and subscribe.